Your Emeril French Door Dual Zone AirFryer 360 is an amazing kitchen appliance you can use every meal. Let's review a few care and cleaning tips that can make it your go-to appliance at mealtimes. Before using, read all materials, labels, and stickers. Make sure you've removed all packing materials, labels, and stickers. Hand wash all parts and accessories with warm soapy water. Remember, never submerge your appliance in water or liquid of any kind. It is an electrical appliance, and water can ruin the electrical parts. Simply wipe the inside and outside of the main unit with a clean, moist cloth. Before cooking food, preheat the unit for a few minutes to allow the manufacturer's protective coating of oil to burn off. Then, wipe the unit with a warm, moist cloth after this burn-off cycle. Always place your appliance on a stable, level, horizontal, and heat-resistant surface. Use the appliance in an area with good air circulation and away from hot surfaces, other objects or appliances, and any combustible materials. If using near or under cabinetry, we recommend pulling it out from being directly under your cabinet while in use. Always use pot holders or oven mitts when handling the appliance. It gets hot, and the contents inside are hot. Never put anything on top when cooking. The upper surface gets hot. Plug the unit into a dedicated outlet. All surfaces inside and out of the unit can get extremely hot. To avoid injury, wear oven mitts. Allow 30 minutes for the unit to cool before attempting cleaning or storage. When washing the parts and accessories, you can put them in the dishwasher or wash them by hand with dish detergent and a washcloth. Do not use abrasive cleaners, steel wool, or coarse scrubbing pads on the parts. Use non-metallic utensils coated in Teflon or silicone when cooking and serving your food. Insert the divider when using the dual zone functions. Remove the divider when wanting to use as one larger unit. Remember, the drip tray should be kept below the heating elements at all times when cooking food. On the left side of the air fryer door, you will see guides that help you decide where to put your racks and pans. When storing, unplug the appliance and let it cool thoroughly. That's it. If you follow these simple tips, you'll enjoy making meals in your Emeril Dual Zone French Door Air Fryer 360 for a long, long time.